Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we use OLAP widget in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. Now, how to use the OLAP widget? For that, we'll have to click on the OLAP component in the widget panel. And once we click on the OLAP widget, we will set the data source as sample data and cubes will be as steel wheel sail. Now, once we do this, we will go to the option measures and we'll expand this. And here in measures, we'll see we have quantity and sales. And here I will just drag the sales and drop it here in the column like this. Now, next what I'll do is I will expand this option product. And in the product, I will click line and drag and drop it in rows like this. Now, once I do this, I will expand column to just verify the option that I have dragged and dropped into the column, which is sales. And same way, I will expand rows. So here you can see we have dragged and dropped line from the product into the rows. Now let me click on preview and save and exit. Let me save my work in the dashboard and then go to the preview mode of the dashboard. So here you see that the OLAP widget will be displayed like this in the dashboard. So this is our product line and this is the major, and in major this is sales, and you can see the sales value like this. Now you can also add multiple columns and rows to this OLAP widget. How? Like, let me edit again this OLAP widget, and now what I'll do is I will expand this option markets, and here in markets I will drag and drop territory into columns, and I'll expand this column and you'll see that we have dragged and dropped territory successfully into columns like this. I'll go to preview, save and exit. I'll save it in the dashboard and click on the preview mode of the dashboard. Then click on the edit mode. So you'll see that now we have territory appearing over here in the OLAP widget, which wasn't there earlier. Now, since we have dragged and dropped the territory option, so we can see the territory also. Now, what we can do is if I click on this cell in the table like this, you'll be able to see the name of the product line, which is the motorcycle, the territory in which this product line was sold, and also the sale value. You can see the sale value. Same way, if I click on the other cell, here also you can see the product line, the territory and the sale value. So by this, what you can do is you can drill down the data in the OLAP widget of a particular column and row value which the user has selected. Okay. So this is how you can create the OLAP widget in the dashboard AIV, and this is how you can drill down the data of a particular column and row value in a particular cell in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the below section. If you have any specific questions or queries, you can mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.